How to create a UGC portfolio using Canva. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create UGC portfolio using canva.com. So let's get started. First, you can go to canva.com and you will land right here on this platform. With Canva, we can create our own websites, and when it comes to websites, we can create our portfolio websites with a lot of different options and a very aesthetically pleasing and attractive portfolio with Canva. How to create it, I'll show you how I create my portfolio website with canva.com for free. So let's get into it. Once you get to canva.com, you will sign up. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for free as well if you do not want to use the pro version. I do have the pro, but I will keep in mind to use different free tools to actually help you out there. If you do not have the pro version, you can still make the portfolio. So once you get to canva.com, you can go to the design spotlights and you can select websites from here. It will take you to the website section. Now, you just need to get started with the template. So I'm just going to click on create a Canva website. It will take me to the canvas and I'll show you how to get the templates for the portfolio. All right, so here we have our canva.com for websites. With Canva, we get a lot of different tools. We have templates, elements, and uploads, text, styles, logos, and more. This is the website page. Here in template section, you can switch to portfolio so that it shows you the different portfolios. Here, I will show you how to create like your resume type portfolio, and you can select the template that you think goes with your style. It matches your business, what you are looking for. So I'm just going to scroll down a little bit to kind of like check what portfolio kind of like defines my work and is what I'm looking for. So you can scroll down, you can see a lot of templates are free on Canva right here and you will be able to use them. Okay, this one looks really simple to me and very nice. So I'm going to select this one. You can also start from the scratch if you want. We have 7 pages for this one. Let's go with the first page right here. So this is what it looks like. It's going to be a portfolio website and it's actually a really simple one. Let's actually explore a little more because that was really simple. Okay, let's check this one out, or we can work on this one. So this is our first page for the website, and this is going to be like the banner page to just give introduction about you. Here we have a simple white color in background. I'm not liking that. I do want to add some element to it. So we can change some colors and kind of like explore a little more. So I'm just kind of like, okay, so this is the color that I'm gonna go for as a background. Now we have to customize the text. This name, I'm gonna enter my name here. Okay, perfect. We're gonna move it and place it right here. Then we have this like modeling here. So I don't do modeling. It's going to be marketing agent. Here we have print, runaway, and stuff. So I'm going to change it to my, which matches my skills here. Let's actually delete it and enter our text. Go to the text right here, add a body text, and you can enter some information. You can go with any text you want to, for your website right here. So I'm just going to add it right here. Moving on, we have to enter like an image here. So I'm going to add my image, of course. Go to the upload section and upload your images to Canva. For now, I'm going to show you how to add an element and image at the same time. Just go to the elements right here. Search for, let's say I'm going to go for a business woman and we can go for the photos. Here we have it. So I have added the image right here. This is what it looks like. Our first page, I think it looks pretty good. Let's move on to the next page. Click on add page. This is going to be an about me page for me. So I'm going to select this one right here. You can see the text here is very bold. I do not want that. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, this is not a body text. So I'm going to delete it because I'm looking for a simple body text or a subheading. And then we have this one right here. So I'm going to go for a heading first, which is going to be the about me. Okay, perfect. Let's place it here, make it bold like this. Perfect. We can change the font if we want to, like this. And then I'm going to add a body text here. And here I will just enter the text about the introduction. So I have entered the text right here and you can change, your font from here. Moving on, we have 2 images right here, like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and maybe upload like one image or two images like this. We can also upload a video or something like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna again add some photos here. Or we can go with just one image, this one. Okay, perfect. So this is my second page for the website. Let's add a third page. So for the third page, I'm going for contact us or a review page. So let's go with a contact us. And for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually select a page from any other template, like a good contact us page. Let's check for this one. Yeah, okay, so this one has a lot of different things. This is like a resume page. Okay, I'm gonna go for the resume page. I'm going with this one. Let's add another page for contact us. So you can select different pages from different templates and work on them. Within our resume page, I think we can add our, socials, and we can add different our email address and everything. So that's what I'm going to do. First, let's get rid of the text that we have on this page already. And I'm just going to like delete all of it. And we will be changing the background because it's not matching with the background that we have for our website. So I'm gonna go with this one right here now. The image is going to be changed. Let's actually do that really quickly before we continue with our next step. Perfect. So we have the image ready. Let's add the heading. Let's change the color for the elements. So we have it like right here. Now I will enter all the information with the heading right here. You can enter your email address, your phone number, and then you can also create a resume page. Like this, we create our website. Make sure to change the background color and kind of like stay with the theme of your website. This way I will just complete my resume ad. You can just customize all the pages. Once you're done, you can publish your website or you can share your website with your other team members. Once your UGC portfolio is ready with Canva using free tools, then you will be able to actually get more clients and you will be able to run a successful business. So this is how you customize a website on Canva. It's really easy. You can explore the templates available, select different pages from different templates, whatever page you like, and then customize it completely the way you want to. You can see it does not look like any of the template we have here. I customized it my own way. I went with pretty simple portfolio. You can go ahead and add your information, add your resume, add your reviews, add your details to create your own portfolio using Canva. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.